Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from OnePlus Nord CE2 to an Android device. Firstly, go into Play Store on both devices and tap on the search bars. Now type in Send Anywhere, install this completely free app from this developer and tap on Open. After that, from this screen here, you need to tap on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on OnePlus. I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then choose Receive on this Android, click on No Thanks and tap on Close this window. After that, select Send on OnePlus and tap on all of those dots. Then select Send over here. This way you will select all of those and transfer them later on. It will take some time, so I will go with only one photo, tap on Send and click on Got It. As you can see from here, we have two connection ways. We can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon on an Android, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing this camera at the code, but we can also just input this code over here and tap on Receive to connect our smartphones. Now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!